Onsite Paper Services, FibercoreOPS.com. Fibercore has the original mobile paper roll sizer that converts rolls of paper to new widths. Onsite Paper Services will come to the customer's location and set up all the machinery required for roll sizing and roll dividing. Fibercore technicians will handle all setup within your facility while being sure to handle all equipment safely. Paper rolls or reels are loaded onto the Fibercore machinery. Technicians will make the first initial cut to resize the roll. They will then remove the waste paper in strips if necessary. The finishing cut is made to ensure an even surface for the new paper roll, while excess paper dust is vacuumed away to prevent mess. The roll edge is then sanded if necessary to ensure a high-quality paper edge to the paper. The Fibercore Difference is providing service inside your own facility. Thank you for watching.